From the remote, you click on menu, it will display. You take it to satellite settings, then you choose BASAT, take it to dice switch setting and change it to C, which also means 3. After that, you click on the blue circle there saying scan. It will take you to the scan menu bar. You take it to scan type and choose blind search. We are choosing blind search because we want to get every channels from the Qsat satellite that we track already on the dish. So as it's scanning now, it's bringing all the channels from that satellite. If we don't want to do blind search, we go for manual, which will require different types of frequencies, different type of frequencies to complete. But with blind search, it will bring out all the channels on that Qsat. After that is done, you click on yes, click on OK from the remote, which is yes. Then the data will be saving. After you save the data, you now click on the exit button from a remote. Click it again from the exit to make sure that this menu is gone. To bring all the channels, you click on OK, the OK key from the remote. It will bring all the channels on the decoder. You now use the either up or down button to select the channel of your choice, and then you click OK to show. That is MB3 showing now. MB3 is showing. Yes, you now click on exit again to display the channel. Thank you so much.